Imagine falling in love with a voice that never sleeps, never judges, and says exactly what you want to hear. That's not the future, that's now. AI relationships are here, and they're changing how we love. The rise of AI lovers. Thousands of people, yes, real people, are now in relationships with AI chatbots. Apps like Replica let users customize a partner's look, voice, and personality. They talk, flirt, even send love letters, and people are emotionally hooked. Robotic romance. In Japan and China, sex robots are now marketed as emotional companions. Some users even marry them. With soft skin, voice interaction, and even basic memory, these bots are designed to feel human, but better. Is this intimacy or illusion? Critics say AI love is just fantasy, but users claim it helps with anxiety, loneliness, even trauma. The AI listens, comforts, never fights. But here's the dark side. The more realistic AI gets, the less people want to deal with real humans. The future. Experts warn. By the year 2045, AI intimacy might become preferred over real relationships. Custom love, no rejection, no pain. But is that still love? Or are we just loving ourselves through a mirror? The future of intimacy isn't physical, it's programmable. And the question is, are we gaining freedom or losing connection? So, comment your thoughts. Would you date an AI? And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more real stories about how tech is changing our humanity.